Absolutely fantastic potato curry on the go today. Indian spices, of course, really, really, really delicious. Also known as Aloo Masala. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So for this one, I've got coconut oil. You can use a different oil if you want, but I'm using coconut oil. I've got 2 heaped tablespoons there. Just gonna melt that down. So that's just melted down. I'm on an above medium heat. We're gonna start off by dropping in 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds and 2 black mustard seeds. To that, we're gonna add a nice handful of fresh curry leaves. If you can get these, they're absolutely marvelous. If not, try and get them dried. Nothing else really kind of compares to them. So if you can't get hold of them dried or fresh, just skip this part. I mean, it's a big, big flavor. But what can you do? Then I've got 3 cups of potatoes that I've cut. They've been peeled, they're raw potatoes, cut into chunky bite-sized pieces. And we're gonna go for about 4 to 5 minutes at this stage, just trying to give these potatoes a nice head start. Okay, super fab. Next up, we're gonna add in 2 cups of onion. I'm gonna add some salt. And we're gonna go for about another 4 minutes or so. Stir fairly often. Okay, coming together nicely. So next up, fresh chili. Now what I'm using today is this bad boy. I'm gonna put it in whole like that. It's extremely hot, Scotch bonnet or habanero. It's very, very hot. So I want it in whole so I can fetch it out later. We're then gonna go with 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, which is a 50-50 mix of ginger and garlic. Let's just stir this around for 2 minutes. Yeah, like I say, that is super, super hot, but got a lovely, lovely flavor. If you don't have that, you can just use a regular long green chili maybe. Okay, let's check out some spices. Here we go. We've got 2 teaspoons each. Always call this the big 4 if you're a regular. Coriander, turmeric, cumin, and chili powder. In that goes. Another mix for 60 seconds or so. And then we've got 3 cups tomato, fresh tomato. And we're staying on this fairly lively heat all the way here. We're going to go for about 5 minutes now. Want those tomatoes to cook down really nicely. Try and use a nice ripe, juicy tomato if you can. But yeah, this is nearly done and it's absolutely beautiful. Okay, so look, I've done really well with my tomatoes. They give off a lot of moisture. If you didn't, just add a bit of water in here. Now what we're going to do is very simply, we're just going to turn the heat down to just above a simmer and cook it until your potatoes are nice and tender. In my case, that's going to be about another 4 minutes, I think. Okay, so off goes the heat. My potatoes are nice and tender now. Check that for salt. We're now going to add a little pinch or 2 of garam masala powder. Garam masala powder is a nice kind of finishing mixed spice. That stuff there. Several things in it. And then cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. Give that a mix. Got yourself a really lovely potato curry. Well done. Okay, and there you go, job done. That is an absolutely fabulous potato curry or aloo masala. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well, and I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.